Hello internet world, welcome to a new video on the Geekanoids channel and a new studio. Yes, it's finally here, the reveal of the new studio, and I can't wait to share with you the details about this new desk, which is absolutely awesome. New sound treatment as well on the wall behind me here. But I want to also ask you to stay tuned until the end of the video, because I've got some very exciting news about a new video that's coming up soon on the channel. Now, let's talk about the new studio. First of all, big thank you must go out to the Hairpin Leg Company. They very kindly sent in this desk, which is absolutely awesome. I really do love it. It looks fantastic. This is actually a really nice solid desk. You get to choose between like a white top, which is what I've chosen here, or a grey top. And you can also choose the colour of the legs, which happen to be hairpin legs. They're very affordable and just so nicely made. I really do love it. It's aesthetically pleasing, very functional. Comes in two sizes. This one's the larger one. I'm really very happy with it. Next up, I want to talk to you about the sound treatment. Now, if you saw my videos on my previous editing room setup and my various room tours, you'll see that I always use some sort of acoustic sound treatment or acoustic panels. And aixFOAM very kindly sent me these two additional panels behind me here, which really do help with the sort of noise cancellation. They deaden any echo in the room and they make the audio just sound so much better. I've always been very, very impressed with their attention to detail. These are slightly thicker panels. They're 5 centimeters thick and they're in these sort of metal mounts or hanging cassettes. And you can either hang these cassettes on the wall, as I've got here, or indeed you can put them up on the ceiling so that they're out of sight. They work fantastically. The performance is great. And I'm sure you'll appreciate the quality of the audio in this particular video. So what else have I got on the desk? Well, I've kept this setup very simple because the focus is obviously going to be on the products that I'm reviewing. So I've got my MacBook Pro here, which is on top of a 12 South Curve laptop stand. This happens to be their white edition. I've also got my little tiny Magic keyboard, my Magic Trackpad 2. I've got a Manfrotto Pixie Evo tripod, little mini tabletop tripod, and then my Sennheiser microphone on top. Now, I won't always use this particular microphone. I might use a lapel microphone from time to time, but I think it looks okay here. I might even consider spraying it white. Let me know what you think in the comments section below. You'll also notice the shelves off to the side of me here, where I've got some additional lighting I can turn on, and my superb Geek sign there. The Geek letters that light up with their little tiny LEDs, I think looks absolutely superb. Also, from time to time, I'll be using this. This is the Atomos Shinobi field monitor. And I plan to put this down here on the desk somewhere, a little bit out of sight from you guys and girls. And this allows me to monitor my framing on the videos and also to check that everything's in focus. That's pretty much it. Let me know what you would like to see reviewed here. But I also mentioned at the beginning of this video to stay tuned because I wanted to share with you some details about a new video or a couple of new videos that I've got planned. And they are based around this, the new 2020 12.9 inch iPad Pro. I'm going to be bringing you my opinion on this product and also showing you how you can use the 12.9 inch iPad Pro or indeed any iPad to organise your digital lifestyle. Some time management tips thrown in as well, so please do subscribe so you don't miss out on those future videos. That's pretty much it for this particular video. I hope you like the new studio. I hope you like the desk from the Hairpin Leg Company, and also please do check out the link down below to aixFOAM as well. Thanks very much for watching, everyone. I really do appreciate it. I'll see you in another video very, very soon.